Understanding the phrase, soft spot, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to discuss. Soft spot. This is a phrase you might hear often in English conversations, and it can be quite charming once you understand how to use it properly. So, let's dive in and learn about soft spot together. Soft spot is a noun phrase, and it has a metaphorical meaning. When someone says they have a soft spot for something or someone, it means they have a special fondness or affection for it, often more than other things or people. It's like saying that part of their heart is a little softer for that particular thing or person. For example, a person might say, "I have a soft spot for stray cats." This means that they have a special affection for stray cats, maybe more than other animals. Using soft spot in a sentence is quite straightforward. Here's the general structure you can follow. I have a soft spot for noun phrase. Here are some examples to help you understand better. 1. I have a soft spot for old books. They just have so much character. 2. Even though he's strict, our coach has a soft spot for young players. 3. She has a soft spot for romantic movies, even though she says she doesn't. There are a few expressions in English that have a similar meaning to soft spot. Some of them include fondness. This means having affection or liking for someone or something. Weakness, sometimes used in a similar way, though it can imply that the affection might lead to indulgence or lack of discipline. A thing for, informal way to say you have a special interest or affection for something. And that's everything you need to know about the phrase, soft spot. It's a lovely way to express your affection for something or someone in English. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and that you now feel confident using soft spot in your conversations. Don't forget to practice, and until next time, happy learning!